Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday, you guys. It's 8 in the morning. Ready to work, ready to come make some money. But I don't know if this work is ready for us. I don't know if Spark is ready for us, y'all. We need orders today. So let's chill in the car and wait for our first order. Yo, just get an order. $11 for one drop off. It's going 1 mile. I had to jump on that order, y'all. It's how it looks like, y'all. So, not trying to be too picky today. I'm not trying to be too picky because I need money. It's been 2 days I haven't make a real money because it's slow, and it looks like today is gonna be the same thing, slow again. So not trying to be too picky today. You're gonna see all kinds of orders that I'm gonna take, trust me. So let's go 4 minutes to drop this order. She just finished putting it in my car, so it's time to go drop it off. We are here. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
$13 for 1 mile, and I'm going to shop for only 1 item. Let's go. $7.41. This one? The only one, this one? Received $14 going 1 mile, and I'm going to shop for 5 items. So let's go shop these others. Okay. Oops. Today is not as dry as these other days, but I'm getting orders here and there. So just got another shopping order. $24. It's going 2 mile, and I'm going to shop for 17 items. So let's go shop for this order. Hello. The pin? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Just received another order, you guys. $20 for 3 customer drop off, and he's putting it in my car. So far, it's so. Can't complain though. It's not like yesterday. Yesterday was dead, but today I'm getting orders here and there, which is fine. Although they're not good paying orders, but they still keep me busy, so that's good. 3 kegs of water. It's going over there. It's a hotel. This is my second round, y'all. Super heavy. But I'm thankful I have this thing here. Second drop off, it's only 2 minutes from here. So let's go drop it off. Only 2 minutes. This is our second drop off. Let's go. Hello. Yep. It is. It helps a lot. Oops. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let's go to our next drop off. Last drop off. It's only 3 minutes from here. So they both was close to each other. Not bad at all. Let's go. Let's go to 207. That's 201. 207, I guess it's down here. 203, 205, 207. Yeah. So you guys, it's 2 o'clock right now. I have 30 more minutes to wait if I can see if I can receive a shopping order. A short shopping yo. So I only have 30 more minutes to receive an order before I go pick up my kids from school, because my husband just had emergency. He went to take care of stuff, so I have to go pick them up. So I'm waiting for this 30 minutes if I can get something, and I'm not sure if I'm coming back after that. I'm not sure. This is just emergency that just happened. All right, so let's sit here and wait this 30 minutes if I can get a shopping order. Yo, I was just editing my videos, yo, and I forgot to end my video. So I'm taking off my hair right now and editing at the same time. And I was like, what? I never get to end my video. So I waited for 30 minutes, didn't get an order, so I decided to go home and didn't go back to work. So I worked 5 hours. In those 5 hours, yo, I made $83. Actually, I made money, yo, $83. So it was better than yesterday. So if you like this kind of content, you guys, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and comment. Go ahead and share. And don't forget to thumbs up, y'all. Don't forget to thumbs up. All right, y'all. I will see you guys in my next video. Actually, today was not that bad. I wish I worked the whole entire day and see how much I was going to make in 10 hours or 11 hours. All right, bye-bye.